Attendance is an extremely important part of the entire process of learning. We generally suggest parents that the child should have 100% attendance in the class. That is because the entire syllabus goes into a link. And if a particular topic is missed, the child is clueless when he sits in the next lecture. So to make this more effective, we have all the records of attendance. We ensure that a system is in place which ensures that the records are kept systematically. And if a child does not attend or if he is irregular in classes or tests, we have a team who calls the parents and informs them the child is irregular, and we take action accordingly.